LM Studio versus Msty. Which AI tool is winning? I'm going to tell you about LM Studio and Msty, two rising tools in the local AI space. LM Studio is all about running large language models on your own machine. It supports GGUF models like Llama, Mistral, and Mixtral. No cloud, no API keys, just local control. You can chat, run prompts, and manage models in a clean, offline-friendly UI. Msty, on the other hand, is a newer tool focused on chat, first AI with polished minimal interface. It also supports local models but leans towards a smoother, user-friendly experience for non-devs. Think plug and play AI on your desktop. So which is winning? LM Studio for control, power, and dev use. Msty for ease, simplicity, and clean UX. Both put LLMs in your hands. The winner depends on how deep you want to go.